Fart Monkey 50 here. No swearing, no names.
Not a thing.
This is some fireworks near Halloween.
Yeah.
It's a Halloween dance in my town. I am with Scott.
Scott Wolf 14, thank you. You two
No,
people aren't supposed to know my name.
You're already on it.
I know.
Remember?
I know.
Elite Bullet Cactus. You're in that one.
Yeah.
And Alex Kidd.
Yeah, I get the idea. Question is it going to be mortars?
Mortars.
Yeah, mortars.
I'm not sure.
I might start making some videos though.
Yep, so check that out when I'm gonna make a video and then tell you guys when
Ever I start making.
Yeah, when he makes videos. So subscribe to him, be sure to.
The moon's very pretty tonight.
Yep. My dog is gonna be scared out of his pants.
He doesn't wear pants.
Exactly.
No.
He's gonna be scared out of his coat.
Okay, that's a good idea.
His fur coat. There he runs. Scared? Don't be scared, puppy.
Hey. Come here. Don't worry, I'll protect you. Come here. Lie down.
Good boy, calm down now.
Lie down. Oh, there's still another one.
One more.
Yep.
The moon is actually full.
It's okay, my puppy.
Alright. The video's done.
End of the fireworks. Goodbye, everyone.